Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to give y'all a little update on my fuel system, part two, I guess. Got all of it in today. Had a leak right here. I forgot to tighten it completely. Got everything buttoned up. Going back to my regulator, my feed coming into everything, and that's my turn going back to the tank. Got my lines in and run it all down. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but my lines run all the way back to the car. Get over here and get you a little quick shot of what it looks like underneath. I don't have the tank in just yet. Kind of got it sitting up there. I got to strap all my lines in still. I got to get me a new vent also before I put it up there. This is the wiring to my second pump. Not 100% sure how I'm gonna wire that one up yet, but I got my filter up there, as you can see. But anyway, this is just a little quick video showing you on some of the progress I'm making on this thing. This thing's slow as Christmas, but I'm getting it. I got all this in today, and I'm using when I turn my key on, it only pumps up for a second. So I got my second pump wired straight up, and I don't know if you can hear it running, but it's running. And I got 55-60 pounds, as you can see right there, and nothing's leaking so far. I ain't went any higher than that, but we'll see what happens with it. My next video, I'm gonna get my fans up, my catch can, get my intake on, and probably put my micro squirt on. Still got to do my vacuum lines for for the turbo, but that's just a little bit of what I got going on. So hopefully sometime before Christmas I can get this thing all finished up. This thing, I like to make a couple runs at the drag strip before the season's up, but you just never know. But anyway, like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Later.